Okay, today we're going to solve a system of equations by the substitution method. So the first thing that we need to do is write down our system, which is x plus y equals 1 and 5x minus 4y equals negative 7. So our goal here is to find out, without graphing, where these two lines would intersect on a graph. So using the substitution method, the key to that is we want to take one of these equations and solve it for a value of 1x or 1y. So this would be the easiest one to work with. So I'm going to take this first one and solve it for x. Not much to that. There really weren't very many steps. Now I'm going to take this value of what 1 minus y is equal to, and I'm going to substitute it into this equation in place of x. And then rewrite the rest of the equation. And then go ahead and solve that equation. Now I just have one variable, so I can figure out what y is, as opposed to these equations that both had infinite numbers of solutions with two variables. Right here now, I'm going to divide both sides by -9, and I'm going to leave it as a fraction. Divide both of those by -3, and I'm going to get positive 4/3, which is what I think that y is supposed to come out to. Now to find out what x is, I'm going to substitute that into this expression, this equation. So 1 take away 1 1/3 is -1/3. Now I need to check that to make sure that -1/3, 4/3 doesn't just work for this equation, but so that it works also in the other one. So I'm going to substitute both these values into this equation. I'll call that my check. Move this up a little bit. X was -1/3 and y was 4/3 equals -7. And I keep it in fraction form. You'll see in a second that that actually makes this one a little bit easier to do. They have the same denominator, -5/3 take away 16/3. It's going to be -21/3, and that is the same as -7. So my solution I need to write as an ordered pair, because it is the place where the point where these two lines intersect. And there we go. That is solving a system of equations by the substitution method. In the next video, I will show you how to solve a system of equations using elimination.